Hi everybody. Class 10 chapter areas related to circle. Exercise 12.2 part 2. In part 2, this part I will explain you from question number 6 to question number 10. Okay, there are 5 questions. Now, the question 6 is a chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. A chord AB subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. So, okay, find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment. This is the minor segment and the rest of the part is the major segment, okay, of the circle. Now, the formula for the segment is area of minor segment is pi theta upon 360 minus half sine theta into r square. Here theta is given 60 degree. Pi value we have to take 3.14 into 60 upon 360 minus sine 60 degree upon 2. Now here 60 upon 360 is 1 upon 6 and this is 314 upon 100 into sine 60 degree root 3 upon 2 into 2 it is root 3 upon 4 and it is 15 into 15. So okay, radius. Now by calculation this one it is coming, so okay, this calculation into 250 with this minus root 3 upon 4 into 250. In this way you have to calculate and root 3's value has given 1.73. This much part by calculation is 471 upon 4 and this much part it is coming 1557 upon 16. Now it is coming 327 upon 16 centimeter square, that means 20.4375 centimeter square. Okay. Now major segment is the total circle minus this minor one. So it is area of major segment is area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. So pi r square minus already this part we have got its answer. It is 20.4375. So it is pi r square minus this pi r square. This is by calculation it is coming 706.5 minus 20.4375. It is 686.0625 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 7. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Segment you have to find area of segment. Now solution, corresponding segment is pi theta upon 360 minus sine theta upon 2 into r square. Again here you have to find the, substitute the value, it is sine 120 upon 360 minus sine 120 degree upon 2. I know and you also, you know that sine 120 degree it is not in your syllabus. So because of that this part is deleted from your syllabus. Again even though I am explaining it, its value is root 3. Sine 30 degree 120 degree, its value is root 3, okay, upon 2, this one, and this its value is this 1 upon 3. Now by calculation it is coming 88.44, okay, centimeter cube. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of the square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. So okay, find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Second is the increase in the grazing area of the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Okay, see the figure, it is the square field. The length of the square field, side of the square is 15 meter. And the horse is tied by 5 meter long rope. After that increased by 10 meter, this much. So if it is at the corner, so the horse can graze this quadrant area, and second time this much quadrant area it can graze. Okay, so the area of quadrant, it is 1/4 pi r square. So 1/4 pi r square, it is coming 19.625 meter square. It's okay. This is the first time the horse can graze this much area. Now, if this is 10 meter long rope, area of quadrant when the rope is 10 meter long, that is 1/4 pi r square, it is coming 78.50 meter square. Okay. So, what is the increase area? Clearly, this minus this. Okay. Now, hence, increase in area, when the length of the rope increase from 5 meter to 10 meters, the area is 78.50 minus 19.625 is equal 58.875 meters square. Okay. Question number 9. A brooch is made with silverware in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The ware is also used in making 5 diameters, which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find the total length of the silverware required. Now listen to me. This is silverware. It is the single line of silver. So okay, ware used here, and this is the red color. These are the diameter is made up of silver ware. So total length of silverware, not this much area, okay, not this one. So total length of the silverware we have to find out. Now the diameter has given 35 millimeter. So radius is 35/2 millimeter. Total length of the ware used in making the silver brooch, that is the circumference of the brooch, into 5 diameter. Circumference into this 5 diameter. Okay, this one. So it is 2 pi r into 5 into 2 r. This much inside 1. It is the silver brooch. Okay. 2 pi r plus 5 into 2 r means diameter. So it is this much is coming 110, and this one is coming at 175. If you calculate it, you can get it. This cancel 175. It is 285 millimeter. Okay. Total length of the brooch. Second part has given, find the area of each sector of the brooch. This brooch is divided into 10 equal parts. So area of circle divided by 10. So it is area of circle into 1/10. So it is pi r square is area of circle into 1/10. By calculation it is 96.25 millimeter square. Okay. It is question number 9. Next question number 10. It is the last question of this part. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. So okay. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. Find the area between the 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So okay, these are the umbrella. There are total 8 ribs. In front there are 4 and back there are 4 ribs. Okay, 4 parts. Now each part is area. That is the area of sector it is. Okay. So area of sector is 8 parts it is. So pi r square divided by 8. Pi r square upon 8. It is coming 22275 upon 28 by multiplying this one. Now it is 795.53 centimeter square. Okay. Thank you very much.